Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about ANKR price prediction and ANKR news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for ANKR in 2022. Ankr, ANKR, is an Ethereum token powered by the Ankr WEB3 infrastructure platform, which serves as a decentralized financial platform for cross-chain staking. It is designed to make working in the blockchain ecosystem simple and affordable. In it, you can create decentralized applications, run nodes and participate in staking. The ANKR token is used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as API services and node deployment, and also acts as insurance for network members, and allows participation in blockchain governance. The Ankr network was founded in 2017 at the University of California at Berkeley, as a distributed computing platform that takes advantage of blockchain technology. Co-founder Chandler Song was an engineer at Amazon Web Services, and is now CEO of Ankr, while co-founder Ryan Fang was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. Now we will announce some news regarding ANKR, and we will start with the news about the Label Foundation company. Label Foundation's parent company Klesson receives $2 million in equity funding to lead Web 3.0 content industry. Klesson, the operating company of blockchain-based NFT and copyright fee-sharing platform Label Foundation, has raised $2 million in equity to further its WEB3 mission. It was part of a strategic investment round from Ebist Investments and Groom Investments. These two firms have poured money into the leading MOOC and music NFT platform to push it to the forefront of the content industry in the WEB3 era. As WEB3 has continued to grow and evolve, so too do the platforms that exist in this space. With the funding, Label Foundation will be able to enhance the platform and bring over new intellectual property, IP, holders, as well as finance all development-related expenses that arise with time. Label Foundation, a South Korean NFT infrastructure, is operated by the founders of the music learning platform, OpenTrack. Through this, they are revolutionizing the content industry by attracting world-class talent through its incubation system and well-known IPs to their platform. It operates a fair profit-sharing system created through effective system integration. OpenTrack is a MOOC-style music platform that allows students to learn at their own pace. OpenTrack 2.0 was recently announced with improved interoperability with the Label DApp. The new version makes the transition of IP rights an easier, smoother, and more transparent process. World-class artists have already begun moving their IP rights to the OpenTrack platform. Aaron Spears, who has worked with the likes of Lady Gaga and Lil Wayne, BTS producer Doscom, 11-time Grammy winner Philip Lassiter, and others are moving on to the brand new Label infrastructure. Not only can students learn various instruments, but they are also able to interact with world-class musical talent to help them hone their skills. Classes are taught by real-world music experts across a number of specializations. Label Foundation's core team is building the NFT infrastructure for content creators, musicians, and fans, while initial IPs are supplied by Ableton's certified parent sister company, OpenTrack. Label Foundation promises a fair profit-sharing distribution system for artists and P2P investments, as well as eliminates the high barriers for entry into the music industry. According to recent research carried out by Citigroup, creators and artists only receive YF profits from a song, or 12% of total revenue. This unfairness is the reason Label Foundation decided to utilize blockchain technology to create a fair system, where creators and artists do not have to go through middlemen to get their profit. With Label, artists would no longer have to worry about intermediary costs when receiving royalties. This would allow artists and content creators to be able to bring over other tokens to Binance's ecosystem of services and functionalities. So next news. Label Foundation's parent company Klesson receives $2 million in equity funding to lead Web 3.0 content industry. Klesson, the operating company of blockchain-based NFT and copyright fee-sharing platform Label Foundation, has raised $2 million in equity to further its WEB3 mission. It was part of a strategic investment round from Ebist Investments and Groom Investments. These two firms have poured money into the leading MOOC and music NFT platform to push it to the forefront of the content industry in the WEB3 era. As WEB3 has and at the end of the video, we will traditionally make a small forecast for the next couple of years. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Ankr, ANKR, a good investment? How much will Ankr be worth in 2025, or how much will Ankr be worth 10 years from now? Ankr price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Ankr price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $0.096 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.086, with a maximum price of $0.096 for 2022. Ankr price forecast 2023. It looks like by 2023, Ankr, ANKR, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be 12 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Ankr's maximum price could be up to 15 cents in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Ankr rate forecast 2024. The current price range of Ankr may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ANKR could reach $0.20 by 2024 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of 17 cents for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Ankr price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Ankr could cross 29 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 25 cents. ANKR, price prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Ankr will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ANKR is expected to peak at 42 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 35 cents if the market turns bullish. Ankr course prediction 2027. ANKRs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Ankr, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of 60 cents. ANKR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of 52 cents, a minimum price of 51 cents, and a maximum price of 60 cents. ANKR rate prediction 2028. ANKR will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Ankr rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the Ankr rate will be almost 73 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 88 cents. Ankr average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 75 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. ANKR price prediction 2029. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term ANKR price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2029 could end with an average bid of $1.11 and a minimum bid of $1.08. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.27. ANKR, price prediction 2030. The value of Ankr will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2030 is bullish. ANKR is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.86 by the end of 2030, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Ankr's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ANKR will be between $1.62 and $1.67 expected in 2030 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ANKR ranges from $1.62 to $1.86 for 2030.